high call series.
So addition with carrying. So children, addition with carrying. Up to now, we have practiced the additions without carrying. And now we are going to learn about addition with carrying. So let us see an example. Add 28 and 46. So here two numbers are given. So what is the first number 28 and what is the second number here 46. So children, first you have to write these two numbers one below the other. So look at the screen how the numbers are written one below the other. So first you have to write the two numbers one below the other. So first write 28 and write 46 below 28. So children, see the step 1. Write the digits in tens and ones in columns. So 28 is equal to 2 tens and 8 ones. The first number is 28. In 28 there are 2 tens and 8 ones. So write 28 here. That is write 2 under tens place and write 8 under ones place. And the next number is 46. There are 4 tens and 6 ones. So write 4 under tens place and write 6 under ones place. So children, in this way, first you have to write the two numbers one below the other as per their concerned places. So first you have to write the two numbers in this way one below the other at their corresponding places. So that is here 8 and 6 are present in ones place and 2 and 4 are present in tens place. Now we have to add these two numbers. That is 28 plus 46. So now see the step 2. So what is the step 2 here? So as we have learned in the previous editions, the step 2 becomes, so first add the digits present in the ones place. That is add the ones column first. First you have to add the digits present in the ones place. Here what are the digits present in the ones place? 8 and 6. That is 8 ones and 6 ones. So 8 ones plus 6 ones, children, becomes how many ones? So the second digit is 6. Open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 fingers and start counting from the first digit. What is the first digit here? 8. After 8 we will get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 8 ones plus 6 ones gives 14 ones. So children, remember here the sum is a 2-digit number. 14 is a 2-digit number. In 14 ones, 1 tens and 4 ones are there. That is 4 is present in ones place, 1 is present in tens place. That means there are 1 tens and 4 ones in 14 ones. So now we have to carry here. So here the sum is a 2-digit number, that is 14. Now we have to carry. How we have to carry? So here ones is written under ones place. So 4 should be written under ones place and 1 is present in tens place. That's why carry this 1 to the ones place. So like this. So children, do you understood how to carry? So if the sum is a 2-digit number, here 14 is a 2-digit number. So 4 is present in ones place, write 4 under ones place. And 1 is present in tens place, so carry this 1 in the tens place. Write 4 under the ones column like this and carry 1 to the tens column, so like this. Now step 3. So children, add the tens column. Now the addition of ones digits is completed. Now add the tens column. What are the digits present in tens column? 2 and 4. That is 2 tens and 4 tens. So children, there are total 3 digits in the tens place. 3 digits in the tens place. That is 1, 2 and 4. So that is carried 1 ten plus 2 tens plus 4 tens. So total becomes, children, how many tens? So total becomes 7 tens. So write this is 7 under tens place. So the answer is 74. So children, do you understood? So how to carry? So first we have to add the digits present in the ones place. So if we add the digits present in the ones place, we have got the two-digit number 14, and we should not write 14 under ones place. We have to carry. So how do we have to carry means write the second digit. What is the second digit in 14? 4. So write the second digit under ones place and carry the first digit to the next place. What is the first digit in 14? 1. So carry this 1 to the ones place. And same process, so add these 2 3 digits, we will get the answer. So 74 is the answer. So children, so now let us practice some additions with carry. So add with carry. Children, there are some problems are given. So we will practice some problems among these. So children, let us see the first problem here. So here two numbers are given, 34 and 29. 34 and 29. So same process. First add the digits present in the ones place. What are the digits present in the ones place? 4 and 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, these are the 9 fingers and start counting from first digit. What is the first one? 4. After 4 you will get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we have got 13 here, and 13 is a 2-digit number, and in 13, so 3 is present in ones place, 1 is present in tens place. So write 3 under ones place. Write 3 under ones place and carry the 1 to the tens place. Now there become 1, 3 and 2. 3 digits are become. So now add the 3 digits 1, 3 and 2. That is 1 tens plus 3 tens plus 2 tens. Total becomes how many tens? 6 tens. So the answer is 63. So children, so do you understood how to carry the digits? So if the sum of the ones digits is a 2-digit number, carry the first digit to the tens place. Write the second digit under ones place. So now the second problem. Here also two numbers are given. The first number is 24 and the second number is 49. So now add the digits present in the ones place. What are the digits present in the ones place? 4 and 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 fingers and start counting from first number. What is the first number here? 4. So after 4, we will get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have got 13. So here 13 is a 2-digit number. So write 3 under ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. So in 13, 3 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So write 3 under ones place, carry 1 to the tens place. Now under tens place, there are 3 digits. What are they? 1, 2 and 4. Now we have to add these 3 digits, that is 1 tens, 2 tens and 4 tens. So total becomes, children, how many tens? 1 tens, 2 tens and 4 tens. Total becomes 7 tens. The answer is 73. So children, so go to the next problem, that is 26 and 38. So now add the digits present in the ones place. That is 6 plus 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 fingers and start counting after 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is the answer, and in 14, write the 4 under ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now there are 3 digits under tens place, 1, 2 and 3, and add the 3 tens. That is 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. Total becomes, how many tens? Total becomes 6 tens. The answer is 64. So see the next one. So there are 2 numbers. What is the first number? 67. And what is the second number? 25. Now add the digits present in the ones place. What are the digits in ones place? 7 and 5. Open 5 fingers of your hand and start counting after 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 fingers and start counting after 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have got a 12. Here 12 is a 2-digit number. So in 12, 2 is present in ones place. So write 2 under ones place. And 1 is present in tens place. So carry 1 to the tens place. Now there are 3 tens under tens place. That is 1 ten, 6 tens, 2 tens. Total becomes, children, how many tens? Total becomes 9 tens. The answer is 92. So now, see the next one. So that is 71 and 19. So the two numbers are 71 and 19. So now add the digits present in ones place. So now add 1 to the 9. So according to additional facts, if we add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. What is the next number for 9? 9 after we will get 10. So we have got the 2-digit number 10. In 10, 0 is present in ones place and 1 is present in tens place. So write 0 under ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. So now there are 3 tens under tens place. What are they? That is 1 10, 7 tens and again 1 10. So total becomes, children, how many tens? So 1 10, 7 tens, 1 10. Total becomes 9 tens. So write 9 under tens place. So the answer is 90. So see the next one here. 61 and 29. 61 and 21, 29. Add the digits present in ones place. So what are the digits present in the ones place? 1 and 9. So 1 and 9. So again, if we add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. So after 9, we will get 10. So here 10 is a 2-digit number. In 10, so 0 is present in tens place. So write 0 under ones place. And 1 is present in tens place. So carry 1 to the next place. That is tens place. So now there are 3 tens under tens place. What are they? That is 1 10, 6 tens, 2 tens. So 1 10, 6 tens, 2 tens. Total becomes, children, how many tens? Total becomes 9 tens. The answer is again 19. So children, see the next problem here. So here also 2 numbers are given. The first number is 65. Second number is 26. So add the digits present in the ones place first. What are the digits in ones place? 5 and 6. Open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 fingers and start counting after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So children, we have got 11. So 11 is a 2-digit number. So in 11, 1 is present in ones place and another one is present in tens place. So write 1 under ones place and carry the another one to the tens place. Now there are 3 tens under tens place. What are they? Those are 1 10, 6 tens and 2 tens. So total becomes how many tens? So total becomes 9 tens. The answer is 91. So this is the next one. So here 2 numbers are given. That is the first number 13 and second number 78. So add first the digits present in the ones place. What are the digits present in the ones place? 3 and 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And start counting after 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So children, we have got 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. So in 11, 1 is present in ones place and another one is present in tens place. So write 1 under ones place and write another one in tens place. Now there are 3 tens under tens place. That is 1 10, again 1 10 and 7 tens. Total becomes 9 tens. So write 9 under tens place. Answer is 91. And see children, so see the next one here. So here, what is the first number here? 34. And what is the second number? 27. So now add the digits present in the ones place first. What are the digits in ones place? 4 and 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And start counting after 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we have got 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. So now we have to carry. How do we have to carry? So in 11, 1 is present in 1's place and another 1 is present in 10's place. So write 1 under 1's place and carry the next one to the 10's place. So now there are 3 tens under 10's place. So what are they? That is 1 10, 3 tens and 2 tens. So total becomes 6 tens. So write 6 under 10's place. So the answer is 61. So next go to the next problem. That is 42 and 38. Now add the digits present in one's place. That is 2 and 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, these are the 8 fingers and start counting from 2. So after 2 you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, we have got 10. Here 10 is a 2-digit number and in 10, 0 is present in 1's place, 1 is present in 10's place. Write 0 under 1's place and carry 1 to the 10's place. So now there are 3 digits, that means 3 tens under 10's place. That is 1 10, 4 tens, 3 tens. Total becomes how many tens? 8 tens. So write 8 under 10's place. The answer is 80. So children, see the next here. That is 72 and 80. So add the digits present in the ones place. Again open 8 fingers and start counting from 2. So open 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 fingers and start counting from 2. After 2 we will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we have got 10, that is a 2-digit number in 10. So 0 is present in 1's place, 1 is present in 10's place. Write 0 under 1's place and carry 1 to the 10's place. So now there are 3 tens under 10's place. So that is 1 10, 7 tens and again 1 10. Total becomes how many tens? 9 tens. So write 9 under 10's place. The answer is 90. So children, so this is the some examples. So addition with carry, and there are some more problems you have to practice at your home. So do the remaining problems at your home as a homework. So children, up to now we have learned about the addition of 2-digit numbers without carrying and with carrying. Now we are going to the next topic, that is addition of 3 numbers. Up to now we have added only 2 numbers. So if there are 3 numbers, how we have to add those 3 numbers? So let us see. So for adding 3 numbers, first add 2 numbers and then add the third number to the total of the first 2 numbers. So children, if there are 3 numbers in the addition, first we have to add the 2 numbers and add the sum to the third number. Children, let us see an example. So here add 3, 5 and 4. So there are given 3 numbers. The first number is 3, second number is 5 and third number is 4. So now we have to add these 3 numbers. How we have to add 3 numbers? First we have to add the first 2 numbers. That means we have to add first 3 and 5. That is 3 plus 5. So next add the sum to the third number. We have to add the sum of the first 2 numbers to the third number. So first add the 2 numbers, 3 plus 5, we have got 8. So if we add 5 to 3, we will get 8. How we will get? So open 5 fingers of your hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and start counting from 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you add 3 plus 5, we will get 8. So this is the sum of the first two numbers. Now add this sum to the third number. What is the third number here? 4. So add the third number to the sum. That is 8 plus 4. So open 4 fingers of your hand and start counting after 8. So open 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and start counting after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer is 12. So children, you understood how to add. There are 3 numbers. First you have to add the 2 numbers and add the sum to the third number. Then we will get the final answer. So now we will practice some problems on addition of 3 numbers. So children, look at the screen. So they have given some problems. That is, in each addition there are 3 numbers. So look at the screen. So there are given some additions. In each addition there are 3 numbers. So now we will practice some of these. So see the first one. So there are given 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? That is 2, 3 and 4. And now we have to add these 3 numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So how we have to add these numbers? Already we have explained in the example how first we have to add 2 numbers first. So now add the 2 numbers, first 2 numbers, that is 2 plus 3. So now add 2 plus 3. That is open 3 fingers of your hand and start counting from 2. So open 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3 and start counting after 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, so if you add first 2 numbers, we will get the sum 5. Now add the sum 5 to the third number 4. That is 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4. Now open 4 fingers of your hand and start counting after 5. So open 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the sum is 5 and after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So children, the answer is 9. So look at the answer. So there are given stepwise how the first step is. First we have to add the 2 numbers. That is 2 plus 3. We have got the sum 5. And add this sum to the third number 4. That is 5 plus 4. We have got 9. So now see the second one. So see the second one. So 3 numbers are given. What are the 3 numbers? So 3, 4, 5. So these are the 3 numbers. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what is the step 1? So first we have to add the 2 numbers first. So children, look at the steps. So now we have to add the first 2 numbers. 3 plus 4. So open 4 fingers of your hand and start counting after 3. Open 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and start counting after 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have the sum, we have got the sum 7. Now add this sum to the third number 5. That is 7 plus 5. Open 5 fingers of your hand and start counting after 7. Open 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and start counting after 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. So children, see the third problem here. So what are the 3 numbers given here? The 3 numbers given are 4, 5 and 6. That is 4 plus 5 plus 6. So what is the first step? The first step, we have to add the first 2 numbers. So what are the 2 numbers? 4 and 5. It is 4 plus 5. So open 5 fingers of your hand and start counting after 4. So open 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and start counting after 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum of the first 2 numbers is 9. Now add this sum to the third number 6. That is 9 plus 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand and start counting after 9. Open 6 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Start counting after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So answer is 15. So children, see the next one here. So what is the next problem here? That is 2 plus 3 plus 3. So here also 3 numbers are given. So what is the first step? We have to add the first 2 numbers and add the sum to the third number. What are the first 2 numbers are? 2 plus 3. So add 2 plus 3. Open 3 fingers of your hand and start counting after 2. So open 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. And after 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum of first 2 numbers is 5 and add this sum to the third number 3. That is 5 plus 3. So open 3 fingers of your hand and start counting after 5. Open 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. And after 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. The children, in this way, we can add the 3 numbers. So while we are adding 3 numbers, first we have to add the first 2 numbers and add the sum of the 2 numbers to the third number, then we will get the final sum. And here also there are some problems there, and practice these remaining problems at your home as a home. Children, up to now we have practiced the addition of 3 numbers. So how to add the 3 numbers? Now we are going to the next topic, that is word problems. So these are the word problems. Now we will practice some word problems on additions. So children, so there are given 5 word problems. So now we will practice some word problems here. So see the first problem here. So children, so see the first problem. There are 18 boys in a class. There are 20 girls in the class. How many students are there in all? So children, so read the word problem till you understood. So if you understood the word problem, then you can easily do the addition. So read again once. What is the problem given here? There are 18 boys in a class. So how many boys are there? There are 18 boys in a class. And there are 20 girls in the class. Children, how many girls are there in the class? There are total 20 girls in the class. So now, what we have to find in this problem? We have to find how many students are there in all. So how many students? Both girls and boys. So total, how many students are there in the class? So how can we get the total students? If you add the number of boys and the number of girls, then we will get the total number of students in the class. So how will we get the total number of students? So we have to add the number of boys and number of girls, then we will get the total number of the students in the class. So children, so first you have to write the number of boys in the class. How many boys are there? 18 boys are there. And next write the number of girls below the number of boys. How many number of girls are there? 20 girls are there. So first write the number of boys and next write the number of girls. That is 18 and 20. Now add these 2 numbers. That is 18 plus 20. Then we will get the total number of students in that class. The same process, already we have practiced a lot of problems on addition of 2-digit numbers. So continue the same process. So first add the digits present in the ones place. What are the digits? 8 and 0. According to additional facts, if we add 0 to any number, again we will get the same number. So if you add 0 to 8, you will get again 8. So write 8 on the ones place. So now go to tens place. What are the digits present on the tens place? 1 and 2. Now add 1 to 2. So according to additional fact, if you add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. So if you add 1 to 2, we will get the next number for 2. What is the next number for 2? After 2, we will get 3. So write 3 under tens place. So the answer is 38. So that means children, there are how many children total in that class? There are total 38 students in this class. So how many students are there? There are total 38 students in that class. So children, see the second problem. So what is the second problem here? Ankit had 30 toffees. Neha gave him 15 more. How many does Ankit have now? So children, read the word problem until you understood. So read again what's the problem. So read again. The Ankit had 30 toffees. How many toffees does Ankit have? So he have total 30 toffees. So Neha gave him 15 more. So his friend Neha gave him 15 more toffees to him. Then how many does Ankit have now? So children, so now how many toffees does Ankit have? So already he has 30 toffees and his friend Neha gave 15 more. So then total how many toffees are there Ankit have? So how can we get the total number? So now we have add the numbers 30 and 50. That means we have to add the toffees already we have and the toffees his friend Neha given him. That is, we have to add the two numbers 30 and 50. Then we will get the total number of toffees that Ankit have. So how can we add? So here 30 and 15 are two-digit numbers. So write 13 and 15 one below the other first. So first write the toffees already he have. So how many toffees he have already? So Ankit have already 30 toffees. Write 30 toffees first. And how many toffees Neha gave him? Neha gave him 15 more toffees. So write 15 under 30. So as shown on the screen and write the places above each digit. That is 0 and 5 are present in 1's place. 3 and 1 are present in 10's place. So now do this addition. So how can we do this addition? Already we have practiced a lot of problems. So add the digits present in the 1's place first. What are the digits in 1's place? 0 and 5. So according to additional facts, if you add 0 to any number, again we will get the same number. So if you add 0 to 5, again we will get 5. So write 5 under 1's place. Now go to 10's place. What are the digits present in 10's place? 3 and 1. So now add 3 and 1. So if you add 1 to 3, so what will we get? According to additional facts, if we add 1 to any number, again we will get its next number. What is the next number for 3? So the next number for 3 is 4. So write 4 here. So the answer is 45. So children, how many toffees does Ankit have total? So total Ankit have 45 toffees. So now children, see the next word problem. Karan bought 45 storybooks. Rohit gave him 17 more. How many does Karan have now? So children, same problem as we have done in the second problem. So both are same, but the numbers are different. So read again what's the problem. So Karan bought 45 storybooks. How many storybooks does Karan have bought? He have bought 45 storybooks. That means already he have 45 storybooks. And Rohit gave him 17 more. And his friend Rohit gave him 17 books more. So how many does Karan have now? So now Karan have how many books he have? So children, do you understand the problem? So already he had 45 storybooks and his friend Rohit gave him 17 more books. So total, how many books he have? So how can we get the answer? Again we have to add these two numbers, that is 45 and 17. So first write 45, so that is 45, that means already the number of books already he have. And write the next 17 below 45. That is the number of books given by his friend Rohit, that is 17. So write the two numbers one below the other as shown on the screen. So that is 45 and 17. Write the places 1s and 10s. So now add the digits present in the ones place first. So what are the digits present in ones place? 5 and 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand and start counting after 5. So open 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So children, these are the 7 fingers and start counting after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So children, we have got 12. Here 12 is a 2-digit number. So if we got a 2-digit number, then what we have to do? We have to do carrying. So how we have to carry? Remember? So here in 12, 2 is present in ones place. So that's why write 2 under ones place. And in 12, 1 is present in tens place. So carry 1 to the tens place. Now there are 3 tens under tens place. So what are they? That is 1 10, 4 tens, 1 10. So total becomes how many tens? Total becomes 6 tens. So the answer is 62. That means how many total books does current have? So current have a total of 62 books. So children, so in this way we can practice word problems on the addition, and there are 2 more problems here. And practice these remaining 2 problems at your home as a homework.